Hey everyone, Mr. Gray 3IS here, and today we are going to be doing possibly the safest mod that I have done to my car. Don't mind it, it is pretty dirty. The sprinklers did me wrong recently, but today we have this, and you might be asking yourself, Mr. Gray 3IS, what is this? This is a strobe controller for, well, the LED stoplight. You can't see mine because not only are my windows tinted, but there's a decal in front of it. But that third brake light right there, as soon as you press on your brakes, it turns red just like the rest of your other two brake lights. And this module right here plugs right in, easy, plug and play, and it makes it strobe when you brake. So it makes the chances of you getting rear-ended less. And that is something we want when we have put a lot of time and money into these beautiful Lexus of ours. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a pretty easy installation. As I said, it's plug and play. So I'll get right to it. And this module right here you can get from my buddy Ray. He has a website, I'll link it down below. It's fairly inexpensive, and I think safety is priceless. So I think any price is a great price, but really though, these are not too expensive. You can use my code GRAY3IS to save some money. Who doesn't like saving money? And to start this install, you're just going to hop in your back seat. I don't know how many times you've done that. I hardly ever do this. But right back there is what you're going to mess with. So that cover right here, you're just going to pry upwards, and I'm going to be using this little plastic pry tool. If you have fingernails, you can do that, but I don't really have any. And evidently you're going to pry upwards, and that cover is just going to come right off. Just like this. And you can go ahead and slide it back, and you'll see there's a plug right under there. And all you're gonna do is unplug this plug, and you just pry it out, just like that. Let me see if I can show you. There is a little, yeah, right there. This is what you have to squeeze to get it out from there. And yours, like mine, might be dusty because it's very hard to clean back here. But this is what your third brake light looks like. And evidently, you're going to take the contents out of the package. You have a 3M strip and your harness. And so what you're going to do is go ahead, flip this over. Take your module plug and plug it right into here, just like how the other one came out. Ta-da! And from here, you can use that 3M tape to just neatly stick this back here. It won't do anything. It's just kind of keeping it out of the way so it doesn't rattle around if you hit a bump or something. I'm going to stick it nicely right here. See if I can do it on camera. Just like that. Push, push, push. And boom. It's all set up. So you're going to go ahead and plug this one right back into that one, and you should be good to go. Now it's easiest to show this now while I have it out, but when you push this back in, make sure you get these little tabs in first before you pop it down. And just like that, it is installed. And I'll show you a before and after in the next clip. And this is what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like after. Boom. 2-minute install. Could save your life. I think this is a very worth it modification. Super simple to do. Very inexpensive. I can save you some money too with my code. And check out the other things on Ray's website. He has some great little accessories on there, including my RCF paddle shifters and my premium start stop button and these RCF fender flares. They fit on the IS. Check one of my earlier videos if you want to know how to do that. Other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching. We are at 1,100 subscribers. This is crazy. You guys are helping me grow so much. I'm learning so much with you guys, and I'm loving this whole YouTube thing. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for everything you guys do. And I'm always here to talk in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Here's my Instagram, gray_through is. I am always on there. So if you want a quick way to get to me, feel free to hit me up on there. Other than that, leave a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to check out my other videos. I try and only make videos that are useful, and I hope you new subscribers enjoy what you're seeing. Other than that, this has been Mr. Gray through IS, and I'll see you in the next one.